Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of this crystal diamond chain. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these rhinestone stretch loop napkin rings, and they are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these glass vases, and this is, I guess, would be considered a mini vase. And you will need 2 of these taper candle holders. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this Glam crystal centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now I've chosen to make this very simply glam by not putting any embellishments on it. I did put some on earlier and I did remove them, but you feel free to make this your own. Add as many embellishments or as few as you like. But let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.